Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of Virginia Writer Magazine. I'm your host Mark Ritchie, and today we'll be kicking off a new feature called Great Roads, and these will feature roads that any writer in the area doesn't want to miss. And since it's a beautiful fall day in early October with the sun shining, I couldn't think of a better road than Shenandoah Mountain on Route 250. We'll be doing an ascent and descent, and hopefully the camera picks up all the colors. So sit back and enjoy Shenandoah Mountain on Route 250 on Virginia Writer Magazine. Well, welcome back, boys and girls. We're heading east on Route 250 in Highland County on a beautiful early October day. Brilliant, bright sunshine, and as you can hopefully see, the colors are starting to turn. For me, it's one of the most beautiful times of the year. And we're going to be heading up Shenandoah Mountain. This is a very technically challenging road, as many of you very well know. Right off the bat, I'm going to enter this hairpin uphill, very tight, all the way down into second gear, and I just wait till I get to the apex and give it the slightest bit of throttle. This is a road that you can have fun on. I wouldn't recommend getting too spirited on your first or second attempt, but after you've been on it a while and you know the characteristics of the corners and become a little bit more familiar with it, you definitely don't want to get behind the motorcycle on this road, because it will reach out and bite some of us. I don't think there's any highway gear in this ascent unless you're really going for it. This corner here, I don't usually need to downshift. This is the horseshoe turn. I always try and take this a little wide in case tractor trailer's coming the other way. Still turning, still turning, still turning. As you can see, there's a lot going on in a very short amount of time. Practice your trail braking here, especially on the descent. And we're almost at the top. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit and let these cars get ahead so we have an unobstructed descent. And we're at the Breastworks, and it's a beautiful overlook. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the descent. I'm going to wait for a pickup truck and a camper to get a little further ahead. So I've given them about 40 seconds, which should be plenty of time for cars. Definitely get your braking on here. Look at that view. Another couple of weeks, that is just going to be every color in the spectrum. Still turning. Still turning. It's a little debris from an accident. That was a couple of weeks ago. It's still here. Residue, I should say. Now downshift here. It's a bit of a tight one. Catch another little view. Typically just leave it in third here. And this one I'll downshift. This one's a bit of a tricky one. It's really sharp and it descends and then it flattens out. And some of you will figure out what your lean angle is there, because as I did, I ended up scraping a frame on a limited, which resulted in the weight and pressure being removed from the rear tire and a pucker. And this is another almost horseshoe turn, and that's pretty much it. Next little mountain will be Shaw's Ridge, just after this little valley of headwaters, which you can park it in the highway gear and catch your breath for the next set of twisties. Well, if you haven't already, make sure you go over to virginiawriter.com and sign up for your free monthly digital edition of Virginia Writer magazine. It's packed full of information, events, news, and features. And thanks as always for the likes, shares, subscribes, and comments, and riding along with us. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks as always for watching Virginia Writer magazine. Cheers.